When I imagine how smart technology can be used in a town, I can see it really connecting businesses, the council, and also the community. So a lot of the time I think people are wary of how the council might be doing things or how they might be spending their money. So this will allow them to give actual tangible evidence, which can kind of help them get a little bit of buy-in for the decision making.
Yeah, so sensors will allow us to gather all sorts of information, and it could technically in the future be unlimited sort of data that we may be able to gather over a huge scope of initiatives. So it could be anything from footfall to monitoring freezer temperatures to monitoring building humidity. So it could be numerous.
But if you were looking to make a decision about should we have a disabled bay here or in a different location within the town, what you could then do is you could put those sensors in those particular locations and see which one gets used the most. And then you've got a more accurate set of information that will enable you to make the decision.
The public Wi-Fi, I think, has a range of benefits. It gives a really good overview of activity of people within the town.
Yeah, if we have free public Wi-Fi, I'd like to think we can take it to the realms of having a notification on their phone, sort of saying, oh, free Wi-Fi, and that will enable us to offer them perhaps a pop-up box that may say, would you like to sign up for our town newsletter? So, it can be beneficial for a variety of small businesses and local people, and as well as, just the visitor. It can offer the scope to advertise our community. It was the free Wi-Fi that sort of grasped our imagination to start with, and there were only a couple of other towns that had it.
Which can allow towns to kind of assess things like peaks and troughs around busyness, best times for businesses to open.
There's various different aspects we can look at here to enable us to gain information, to be more informed.
It would help in making correct decisions.
We can make quicker decisions, we can make decisions and back them up with evidence.
It would save a lot of debating when the actual information is there in front of you. If the evidence is there, the evidence is there.
It's endless, really, of the benefits that we could create, really. I think it would be great for other towns to come and look at Preston and think, oh wow, look, they've got this LoRaWAN system, they've got this smart Wi-Fi system. We are at the forefront of technology here and we're embracing it.
I think people are often very scared of the word technology. When they hear data, they're scared that their data is going to be leaked. But it's nothing like that. It's all GDPR compliant, and it's all about getting data that can influence really important decisions for a variety of people within a town.